In today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing and setup of the Smanos w120i alarm kit. Kit comes in this pretty attractive box. Taking a look at the back of the box, the kit includes one smart hub, two door window sensors, one remote control, one Wi-Fi camera, two AC adapters and batteries. To look at the side of the box, tells you the minimum system requirements, the network requirements, router requirements, Android version, as well as iOS version. Taking a look at the other side of the box, it explains the setup process. Firstly, we have quick guide, structure manual, as well as some warning stickers, documentation. Here we have the smart hub. This has a built-in siren. The bottom of the smart hub, there is room for the backup batteries, as well as you have the reset button. Next up, we have this 2 megapixel Wi-Fi camera. Take a look at the side of the camera, place your memory card. To the back is where the power supply would go. This camera has a very good sensor, features two-way audio, night vision, as well as motion detection. Next, we have a remote key fob that can be used to arm, disarm, home stay, as well as SOS. Here we have 3M double-sided tape, as well as a reset pin. And we have a door window sensor. This 3M tape is used to install the door window sensors. Door window sensors has two arrows that need to be facing each other, like this. It also has an indicator light that indicates when the sensor is active. You need to pull out this strap to activate the sensor. And here we have another door window sensor. Here we have 3M double-sided tape. This is to mount the Wi-Fi camera. However, I recommend using the included screws and wall plugs as well to mount the camera properly. Here we have one of the power supplies. This power supply goes to the back of the hub, provides power to the hub. Next, we have the second power supply, which provides power to the Wi-Fi camera. Here we have the batteries. These serve as a secondary power source for the hub in case electricity goes. So just an overview, we have one smart hub, one Wi-Fi camera, one remote key fob, two door window sensors, and backup batteries and mounting accessories. Moving on, both the camera and the smart hub has been plugged in and has been powered on. You can see there's a blue indicator light on the camera as well as on the smart hub. indicating that it is receiving power. Now we're going to test the unit. We're going to activate the door sensor by taking the strap out. You notice, you see there's a red indicator light indicating that the sensor is now active. Now we're going to arm the system and trigger one of the sensors. Disarm the system. We're going to arm it again. Test the other sensor. Now we're going to test the SOS button on the remote. Next up, we're going to install the phone app. Search the Play Store App Store for Smanos w120. Once found, install. Once finished install, open the app, and to the lower right hand corner you'd see sign up. Enter your email address. Click next. They will then email you a code. You enter the 6-digit code here. Normally takes a couple of seconds before you get the email. Just be patient. After entering the code, press next, and here now you could create a password. This password would be used to access your account. Now choose a username. And you have the option to take a photo. And that's it. You're finished installing the app. Now I'm going to sign back into the app with the email address and password I just created. I'm going to check also remember me. Upon logging on for the first time, you need to add the devices. I'm going to click add and choose the w120 alarm. Follow the on-screen instructions. Hold down the configuration button behind the hub for 3 seconds. Once you hear the beep, click next. Lights would alternate between red and blue. Click next. Click next and you'll be taken to your Wi-Fi settings on your device. Choose Wi-Fi. From the Wi-Fi list, you should see W120. Gonna select that and click to connect. Once connected, you're gonna go back again. Next, you're gonna select your Wi-Fi network. Enter the password. Your phone should be connected to this Wi-Fi network as well. Just give it a few seconds. And that's it. Finish setting up the hub. We're gonna add another device. And we're going to select the P70 Wi-Fi camera. Plug in the camera. We're going to use the included reset pin. Hold the reset button for 3 seconds. We're going to select the Wi-Fi list. We're going to choose Wi-Fi. You'll see P70. I'm going to select it, connect. Once connected, I'm going to click back, go back again, select Wi-Fi list. From here, you're going to select network and choose your Wi-Fi network that you're currently connected to. Enter the password. And that's it. You're all done setting up your P70 Wi-Fi camera. If prompted for a firmware upgrade, click Update. Once finished, you'll be taken to the main menu. Select W120. If prompted for a firmware update, click Update. Next, select the W120 hub. From here, you have the option to arm, home arm, disarm, as well as SOS. At the top right hand corner, if you select the three dots, here you have a log of all the different alerts and activities. Next, we select the gear wheel icon. Here you have various settings for the hub. Here you could adjust the siren as well as your alert notifications. You could edit the accessory list, add additional sensors, controls and accessories, and various settings that you could explore. Going back to the main menu, we're going to select the Wi-Fi camera. This is a live view of the camera. If you select the microphone icon, you could speak through the camera. Next, you will notice there's a camera icon. By pressing this, you'll be able to take a snapshot, save it to your phone. And the video recorder icon, by pressing this, you could record a video clip to your phone. Located at the top right hand corner is the camera's menu system. Select the first option. If your camera is set on motion detection, this would give you a history of all the various video clips. Next, we select the second option. Here you have all your videos and pictures that you would have manually stored on your phone. This is the video that I just recorded while testing. The third option is where your video clips would be stored if you had a memory card installed. This last option gives you the ability to adjust various aspects of the camera such as video quality, motion detection, etc. And that's it, we're all done. This w120i system is a perfect all-in-one solution at a great price for anyone in the market for a security system.